Alright, well, this is going to be the first time I've streamed in a long time. And it looks like the Twitch's layout has changed dramatically, so I really don't know what I'm really doing here. I can't even see, well, I can see how many viewers I have, but it doesn't look like it's updating. It's really strange, but I got the chat box open, that's all I really care about. Anyway, uh, I was doing some development, if you can call it that, here in ClickTeam Fusion 2.5. That's the latest product from ClickTeam. They before they did Multimedia Fusion 2 and Click and Play and the Games Factory. If anybody remembers that, probably not. But I was a big fanboy of those programs. I used to use those all the time on my dad's computer. So I've always used this ever since I was a little kid. So that's why I always use this program. But I was starting a new project, if you could call it that. And oh, it's my mouse on the other screen. Never mind. And I just wanted to try and stream some of the process I was going through, and hopefully I'm able to document all the way to completing a game. So let's see then. I'm hoping this chat window is live. I'm hoping it's updating because some of the other stuff on Twitch is not working properly, which is very typical. Anyway, this is what I have so far. Let me go ahead and run. And you can see it appeared on the other screen. Here you go. So you play as a frog. You can jump. There's no animations or anything. These are all just placeholder graphics. But I can run around. I can use my tongue like that. And these flies up here, I can catch them. I now have a fly in my mouth, and I can spit it out. And this is pretty much all I got so far. So hopefully this evolves into a full-fledged game that the public at large will be able to enjoy and play. Alright, so what I wanted to do next was actually what I left off on. God damn it, why does this keep going on this monitor? Was right, I was making them face up. So if I can just go ahead and do that. Oh yeah, I just spaghetti coded this stuff. Let me try and organize this really quick. I'll just create a group of events. Player. Well, actually, no. I'll do an initialization group. This will be in player. And then I'll do a nested group and call it collision. There. I like using these nested groups because I can just deactivate certain abilities and activate different ones at will. Because before, I would have like an alterable value, and I would put like can do this, can do that, or I would just use the flags, and then I would put in each ability or each event tied to that ability, I would just add insert if the flag is blah blah blah. God, it keeps going over there. It's weird. Anyway, that's collision. Oh, this is going to be movement. Yeah, this has to do with movement. And And this is for the jumping, right? Yeah. Okay. Alright, this is going to be for the tongue. Right, I was going to have another one for animations. I think I'll put that maybe here in movement. Or maybe I'll just create a new event or group. And I'll put it in movement. Or maybe I'll just call it movement animations. Okay, here we go. Alright. Well, whatever, it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Let's just keep going. Oh, actually, no, this should be repeat. Okay. Alright, now I can look up, and we can, oh, wow. Okay. Let me fix this. Okay. Oops. What was that? Oh, you know what? Being able to eat them again. I don't know if I'll be doing that though. But I can throw them up in the air. need to fix this actually. Wait a minute. Okay. All right. Okay, that should work. Yeah. You guys can't see it, but the tongue is okay now. All right. See what else we can do. Right. Next, I wanted to make some lily pads we can jump on. Hold on, let me drag this over here. So I wanted to make an active object, and maybe I'll make the width like 120 or something. How would that look? I guess that's fine. Alright, and then I'm going to... Oops. Yeah, alright. And then... we're going to say if it's colliding with that... not only check for that, but I'm also going to have to... I'm going to move the lily pad a little bit. So, actually, first of all, I want to make this a generic ball movement. And just initialize the speed to 0. And I'll show you what we're going to do with this. Let me just make a new group here. Alright, so overlapping that, insert. We only want it to happen once we touch it. What was I going to do? Well, actually, no. Here's what I'm going to do. See, yeah. We're going to ask the game. Excuse me, Mr. Game. We're going to say if this position is less than this position. And actually, before I do that, let me throw a value on here. I'll just call it tilt. We're going to set tilt to -5. Um, this keeps popping up over here. Can I ask if the angle is right? I guess not. That sucks. Garbage. Ah, hurt my ears. Alright, well, I'm gonna have to just set the angle to a value. What? Alright, fine. It'll just be ang. Okay, so actually insert, and we're just gonna set this to ang. Come on. Pop up on the right screen. Dang it. Okay. We want quality. Quality over quantity. Okay, so subtract 1 from ang. Alright, let's see what this looks like. Well, let me put it somewhere where I can reach it. Alright, lily pad test. On the lily pad. Okay. That was a bust. Okay, what did I do wrong here? Actually, first let me just rename this to lily pad. I might just have to make a new object underneath the block here. In fact, you know what? Let me just do that. Why shouldn't I? Let me clone this. I'll just make it blue, just for no reason. Yeah, this too. Okay. And we'll say if this is overlapping. Okay, let me try. See that? Look at that. Oh wait, let me show that again, because I didn't get it on the stream. Right? Jump, jump, jump. See? But I get stuck. Okay. So I actually want to do this the opposite way. And I also want to set this to say what? Let's just try 5. So that way it doesn't just spin all the time. There, see? Now we can stand on it, and it's tilted. Okay, let's do this for the other side now. All right. Okay. This is going to be add. All right. Okay. Now if I did that right, we should be able to tilt the lily pad either way, depending on which side we stand on. Yeah, there we go. See that? Excellent. Okay, but wait, get the fly, get the fly, get the fly. Yeah, the flies don't do anything to that. But we don't want it to just be a static number. We want it to do it based on the distance. Actually, wait. All right, let me just set it so that if you're not standing on it, it corrects itself. I didn't do that. I'm gonna have to copy these. Yeah. Is that right? Let me just check this. I might have to try this again. It's just gonna spin in place forever. Obviously, I did that wrong. So this should be add. This should be subtract. Let's see. Okay, there. Yep. I can twist it. Okay. Nice. All right. Okay, now let me do what I was going to do before, which was to set it based on the distance. if ang is, yeah. Let me just see what that does. I'm kind of confusing myself here. Yeah, okay, it did nothing. I wanted to make it so that times -1. That's what I wanted to do. Okay. So if I go on the other side now, let me drag this over. Yeah. So now, as you can see, the further I go here, it's gonna go further and further. So I'm gonna have to divide this by like 3. Let's just try 3. Let's see. Actually, maybe 5. Da, 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 da. More than that. 8. And while we're at it, let's do it for the other one too. Just copy this. And we don't need this -1 here. Well, when you come back, okay. Which one is this? This is... Okay, it's that one. Right? No, this one. Okay, let's see what this does. I just want to try it. Yeah, there we go. See, now it's correcting itself. Let me just do this for the other one now. Okay. We got our lily pad. There, see that? Nice and fluid. If we can jump off. Nice. Alright. Good. That's exactly what I wanted. Ah, I fell. So my Twitch is showing me I have a viewer. How you doing there, buddy? We're having lots of fun here playing with lily pads. Alright, now I wanted this to move. Actually, let me put some deceleration on here. We'll try 15 first. Oh, I left. Damn it. Scared him away. Okay, let's see. Now I want this to... Alright, once it starts overlapping. And this is the one where I wanted to say only happened once it hits it. And then this is where I will say oh right, I have to I hate this about ClickTeam Fusion is that once they add new features, like they're not consistent with the old features. So if you want to do the distance, you have to do this, compare two general values. And then go in here and say the distance. Wait. No, I'm doing this wrong. I need to find this. This is what I need. Actually, this should be at the top. Well, I guess it doesn't really matter. And the exposition of that is that. So in other words, if he's on that side, then this should be direction. This should look over here. It should look that direction, and then movement. Set speed to, we'll say 5. And then we'll just do this for the other side. And just have it look the other direction. Okay. Well, it doesn't even move that much. I need it to be more fluid in this movement. Maybe deceleration 5. Yeah, see? Although the frog doesn't really move with it though. Oh, that's a problem. Actually, instead of doing overlapping, let's just do collision. And see if that changes anything. Okay, yeah, okay. Actually, you know what? Maybe the fact that the frog falls off, maybe that could actually be a good thing. Maybe I could use that as a feature. So it's like you jump on it and you gotta be careful. Okay. What else we got here? Oh, this is where I wanted to use the distance. So, okay, yeah, distance from the player to the lily pad. Divided by 5, I think. Oh, whoops. I didn't want to do that. Okay. Let's see what that does. So now, like if I jump like in the middle, kind of, it doesn't move it that much. But if I jump on the edge, it moves it a lot. Although it moves it a little bit too much. But alright, so how about instead of divided by 5, we'll try 8 again. Let's see. There we go. See? See? See, that's the kind of lily pad movement I wanted. Excellent. Oh, I want to make I want to make the flies bounce on the lily pads. Hold on. Which one is which here? How come I can't see the names now? Is this even the right? Streaming thing is making some things look really weird. Yes, that's the right one. Ah! Although, well, it kind of like I should do overlapping, not just collision. What? Did I? This is the wrong one. What? Is it supposed to be collision? Oh, no, no, no. Oh, man. So the, damn it. So if this is slanted like this, it just rolls off. Oh, that sucks. Why is the collision not messed up on that? Sucks, man. Can I do this? And just set it to... And just set the gravity to 0? Let me just see what this changes. Okay, that still works. You know what? Just put this in the middle. And don't do a box. And how can I make it not move? Okay. I don't want it to move when it gets hit, but the built-in. See? This one I think is supposed to be overlap. What the heck? What on earth? Let me try bounce. Obviously not. Ah, this is weird. Okay, this looks more like it. Yeah, except I don't want the lily pad to move when they touch it. So maybe I'll just set the density. Can I just set it to 0? Because I don't want it to get smacked around like that. No. Why does this one bounce? That's ridiculous. Wait a minute. What? Why? Oh, you know what? Wait. Let me set this back to the normal one. Maybe it was just because I was doing it that other way. Okay, that's still like that. Ah! Okay, what? Hold on. I don't know if I can fix this. Yeah, what the heck was that? Oh, just like... I don't know, anyway, that's set to bounce. You know, let's make these flies move, just to have some fun. Okay. Now we can catch the flies. Oops. I don't even know my own controls. I meant to move the lily pad over. Oh, you know what? I didn't even try adding more lily pads. Let's see. And just to be funny, let's throw these on water. There, that's our pond. There we go. Frogs and flies. Atari 2600. I can't shoot my tongue downward yet though. I got it. Let's just make this more decorative, because it looks pretty boring on just plain white. Okay. Ah. There we go. There we go. Alright, now we have some more decoration. We're not just staring at a white screen the whole time. Oh, you know what? Let me, just to make sure these don't hit the wall or anything. Okay, this is just going to make it so that... hold on a second. Alright, anyway. That's just going to make it so that if it hits the wall, it'll just bounce off. Yeah, like so. Okay. Alrighty. What else we got? Oh, I was gonna set it where if it collides here. Yep. Yep. I think next... yeah, let's make this a little bigger. And I'm just gonna add some more of these. Okay. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't move the camera. Yeah. Okay. Ah, my leg's asleep. Ah, my foot's asleep. My foot and my leg sleeping together. We're gonna call this cam. I'm gonna change the way the camera works, but for now I'm just gonna have this be set at the player's position. And just have it focus on that. Okay. Yep. Alright, now we can go across the pond. Can we make it? Oh, it's too many flies. We got it. We won the game. I can just have fun with all these flies. Dude. Well, see, this is what this feature is for. There we go, get it over there. Come here. Come here. Get in there. Get in the water. Okay. We've got our pond. I want to do... What did I want to do? Oh, how about next time, or actually next right now, we do some damage. So that if they hit you, they'll do damage. So right now, I'm just setting this up for later. I'm just going to add one called Flash. And I'll be using that for the blinking invincibility. Am I going to put that in fly or in... I'll put it in player. And I'll put it right here. Actually, no, not right there. I'll put it down here. Wait a minute, I have two tongue groups. How did that happen? I'll just call it hurt. Alright, I'm just like the other ones, I'm just going to make something basic and then improve on it. Alright, so if he's overlapping the fly. And this is what I was talking about. We're going to have this flash if the flash is 0. Set flash to 50. Alright, and then if flash is greater than 0, subtract it. Okay, so that means when we get hit by a fly, it's going to set our flash to 50, and it's going to just going to count down to 0 every frame. And what flash means, actually, just copy that. What this means, we're just going to make sure this only happens once. Once it gets triggered, it is going to make us blink. Okay. Alright, that's very rudimentary, but... Actually, let me get rid of this stupid camera. Make it invisible. So we're not running around with a block on us. There we go. That stupid block away. So, yep, now we're... You see that? Now we can get well, I don't know if this translates to the stream. Whenever I get hit by these flies, I blink for a little bit. And it's kind of like we get hurt. Although the tongue doesn't disappear, so it's just like a ghost tongue. But then we can eat the flies. Oh, wait a minute. I can get hurt just by eating them. So we gotta make sure... hold on. How was I determining if they're like getting eaten or not? I don't even remember. Oh, flag 1, okay. Okay, let's just, yeah, adding a check to make sure that flag is off. So now if we can eat them safely. Oh, look at that, glitchy. I gotta fix those collisions. Ah, look at that, too glitchy. Oh, oh man, he's too high up. Wait, get back over there. Okay. Ugh. I can get him. Got him. Get in the pond. Get. He's too high. I can't get him. So let's just go for a dip, and then we're gone. Alrighty. Okay. What else we got? This must go by hours, huh? I'm just looking at my Twitch dashboard here. I'm still a little bit unfamiliar with the layout. I am still broadcasting, right? Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Alrighty. What else we got? Oh yeah, I wanted to make this flash faster. Oh, why is this? Yeah. Maybe like 5. And I don't know. You might, again, you probably won't be able to see it, but I can see it. That's all that matters, right? Yeah. Now I can get hit, and it'll flash. Oh, got me. Oh, you got me. Oh, you got me. Okay. Ah, anyway. Alright, what can we do here? Oh, I wanted to make the tongue disappear. Yeah, I'll just make it so that... Okay. Yeah. And then just see if it's greater than 0. Make it appear. That should solve our tongue problems here. Yeah. Alright, so now our tongue only comes out when we need it. Just like in real life. Yep. Nice. Actually, since I'm coming up on the end here, maybe we can try and do something a little bit fun. A little fun. A little bit entertaining. Let's see. What if we do collision between these two? Bounce, create a pop flue. It's called a pop flue. Destroy. Alright, now we can like pinball them. Or should be able to. Nice. What glitch? Yeah. I got 3. Nice. There was one other. Okay. This is just something I wanted to do. Since I don't want them to like roll around forever. Oh hey, Unwary. What's up? It's been too long, brother. Don't worry, I'm not gonna die today. Hopefully not for a long time. Yeah, I'm just I was starting a new kind of like project here. I was having some fun in Fusion. Hopefully it's gonna eventually evolve into a full-on video game. What was I doing? Sorry. Okay, I was gonna make the prop guy. He's gonna die after a certain time. Actually, no, what am I doing? Oh, that's what I was doing, yeah. If it's lower or equal to 0. Destroy. Yeah. Oh, it will be, don't worry. This is going to be the best game about frogs you have ever played. Frogs and Flies on Atari 2600. Small time. Alright. I'm going to blow that game out of the water. Alright, then subtract 1 from life. Okay. So now these things won't last forever. Yeah, they'll disappear eventually, which is what I want. And I can also knock them into each other. I missed. See how this guy's way up there? Oh, maybe not. You got lucky. You got lucky, Fly. What can I do next? Oh, let's make some BS effects. We'll make like a poof whenever they well, I'll make it purple first because I won't be able to see it. Oh, come on, man, that's way too small. Okay. What? It's too big. Mm. Alright. This looks pretty weird. Not gonna lie. This looks pretty strange. But if it works, it works. Besides, these are just placeholder graphics. I don't really care how good it looks right now. Let's add one more, actually. And I'll just make it like some little specks. Yeah. Okay. Alright, now let's just make this all white. Or actually, maybe like really light beige. That should work. Yeah. All these are centered, right? Why is this one different? Yep, okay. Close that. Because I'm done with it. I don't need it anymore. I'm just going to make a big group called effects where I'm going to throw all the poofs and puffs and smoke effects in here. Okay. So I'm just saying, when its animation is over, just destroy it. That's basically what I'm saying there. Did that work? Yeah, it worked. So now I can throw this on here. So now whenever I just bring this over. Whenever I destroy one of these guys, hopefully the stream can see it. It explodes. Well, it's hard to see. I'll make the screen a little bit darker. Okay, there. It's nighttime now. Wow, night. We're on the moon there. All right. Okay. This actually looks kind of cool. Now if I throw him in the air, he'll explode in a very slow motion explosion. So now I can pow. Bam. Oh, these guys right here. Got him. Okay. And then I died. Maybe speed this up a little bit, maybe like 20. Oh, let me make another one actually. It's gonna be like too much. This is gonna be kind of like a smaller thing. Yeah, let me just make this a little bit smaller. Okay. I'm gonna have to move the hotspot a little bit though to make it centered. Alright, and this one I'm just gonna do pure white. I don't know why I'm so invested in the graphics right now, because this is all gonna get changed later. It's gonna be small, poof, and then big poof. Yep. Alright. Let's do the same thing for this one. Just destroy it once it finishes its animation. Now for this one, we're going to make it pop up whenever you nail a fly. So that now we can have some more awesome. I got hurt there? Bullcrap. Well, it looks kind of weird, but you get the idea. Oops. Okay. Yep. Yep. Maybe I'm thinking maybe I should add some music or something, cause fill all this dead air. I'm just thinking right now, like thinking what to work on next. But the thing is, I don't want to add copyrighted music and then have the Twitch police. Hey, I'm not stealing from Kirby. I'm stealing from Yoshi's Island, mister. Oh, bleh. Let me make it so that you can eat these guys again. if you can get them before their life runs out. Oops. Oh, speaking of Kirby, I was actually planning to make it so that you could get different abilities. So I guess I do steal from Kirby. Yeah, I think I'll do that next. I'll add this down here. And I'll just make it like that. And I'll have to copy these two. And just change them to the prop version. Okay, that should be enough. Let's see. Let's see if I can eat the guys after I eat them already. No, I think I missed them. Let's try again. No. Crap. I think I didn't change this though. Yeah, there we go. Alright. So now, whoops, do that one too far. Now we can, like, we can knock them and then grab them again. Yeah. See? We can use them as weapons against each other. Well, wait, was that a glitch? He blew up, but I still had him swallowed. Oh, you know what? Let's blatantly rip off Yoshi's Island. Blatantly. Because I just had a stroke of genius. Ah, well, no. Size 1. Does this remind you of anything? It's a little bit big, but we'll call it the original egg. Completely original. We'll make it basically the same properties as this. What did I do with this one? Physics ball. Oops. Make it like that. What was this one's density and stuff? Elasticity 50. Well, we can make this one a little bit bouncier. Ugh. throw our egg on there. Let's see. Yeah, so basically just the same as the prop fly. I think that's okay, yeah. Was this okay, yeah. Should be this one. Excuse me. So, alright, yeah, alright, as you can see, the egg is bouncing. Just like we want it to. Excellent. Okay. I noticed it made two different prop flies, though. And I want to copy this too, because I need to make the egg be able to be eaten also. Set this to 2. Which one? Where did I make it so that you could spit the fly? Where was that? What? Seriously, what the heck? Where is it? Oh, here. And a group called full. Okay, what was I thinking with that one? Just say 2. So instead of creating a fly, we'll create an egg. An egg. Yeah, put that there. Okay, I should be able to eat the egg now. Let's just see. Yeah, I can eat the egg and throw it. Alright. If this reminds you of anything, don't worry. It's probably just a dream you had. Happens sometimes. It's called deja vu. Now here's something we're going to do. Full is greater than 0. So in other words, if he has anything at all inside of him. And you move down. Okay, ready? Ready for this totally original gameplay? Boop. I died. If I press down, I can turn them into eggs. I can knock him out of the... Oh, he got away. Come on. I can turn him into an egg, then take the egg, chunk it to knock him down. Wow, that was close. Get up. This one always gets me. Okay. Egg. Swallow it. Throw it. Ah. I got hit. Look at this. I can throw him in the air, catch him. It's not just going to be the Dark Souls of Frog games. It's going to be the Dark Souls 2 of Frog games. Special edition. I'm not going to keep that, though. I'm not going to keep the eggs in the final thing, no. I just wanted to test, like, swallowing. Because you can spit or swallow. And I meant that in a totally innocent way. Yeah. Oh, this is still glitchy. Collisions with these lily pads are still glitchy. Still glitchy. Still glitchy. Piss me off. Just kidding. Bam! Knock him out of the sky. Get him. Turn him into an egg. Knock him out. Get him. Turn him into an egg. Nice. Ah. Okay. I'm in a weird way, I'm proud of what I've accomplished so far. I bet. Oh, damn it. Because I got some of the core mechanics of the engine, I guess you could call it. Now I'm just having fun playing it. I don't even know what to do next. Ah, keep losing. I think, well, maybe next time I can, damn it, I can try some of the AI, enemy AI. That'll be fun. Oops, what did I just do there? You can do this, you can juggle. You can do everything. Everything a frog can do. Nice. Oh, wait. Last thing for today. Um, I'll just make the eggs so that they'll bounce off each other. Come on. So now if I like, yeah, now they'll all like bounce off of each other. So now if I just make a bunch of eggs, and well, those fell. Yeah, now they'll, okay. Alright, well there you go. This was kind of a short stream. I'm planning, hopefully, this is going to be a running theme. Or what I mean by that is like I can maintain a streaming schedule at least. But I'll see if I can be back tomorrow. Maybe, maybe not. I know it was a long time since I last streamed. I think it was over a year actually. Last I streamed it was like 2016, and I was doing Doom still. But the Mrs. Kubelwagen is texting me asking me if I'm finished yet. So I got other priorities to attend to. But anyway, thank you for watching, Anwari. Anwar, you're like my number one bro. Me and you need to go out sometime. Hit the town, me and you. But that's gonna be the end for now. This was only like an hour and a half, but I'll try and do it longer next time. Hopefully. But I don't want to end, but I have to. Anyway, thanks for watching, and see you hopefully next time. Maybe tomorrow.